Welcome to the Harvesting Hope series. This series I am doing throughout the month of November to bring inspiration and encouragement to myself and others that need it. This is day one. Welcome to day one of the Harvesting Hope series. The topic is new beginning. The quote: "Every sunrise is an invitation to brighten someone's day." And the theme for today is fresh starts. This month marks a new beginning. Not because things are perfect, but because I'm choosing to rise with the sun, even after the darkest nights. This video series is my fresh start to honor those that I've recently lost, which has been 4 family members and 3 close family friends since the month of June. One of those lost was a sibling, my sister. And for those of you that know, if you lose a sibling, like that just hits different. It's a different type of hurt. Scripture is Lamentations, 3rd chapter, 22 and 23. His compassion never fails. They are new every morning. Great is your faithfulness. A chance to heal, a chance to hope, and to help someone else rise. This is my fresh start. After months of grief, I'm choosing to speak life, to share stories in hopes that someone can be helped, and to remind myself, and maybe you, that we're still here, still growing, still capable of light. I'm not doing this because everything's okay. I'm doing this because I believe healing begins with showing up. If you're walking through grief or just feeling the weight of the season, I want you to know you are not alone. If this is something you're interested in, check back daily. The plan is to have a short video every day, something inspirational. If I can tie a scripture into it, I will. Please share this video with someone you think it may help. Share my channel because, as I said, 30 days of inspiration. That's with a theme, a quote, a topic, and if I can tie it in, a scripture. Like and share this video. Come back for more motivation and inspiration. Thank you for joining me in the Harvesting Hope, Day 1, New Beginnings. See you next time.